अंत भला तो सब भला। All's well that ends well. All's well that ends well. मैं यहाँ फंस गया हूँ। I am stuck in here. I am stuck in here. हमारे पास और क्या रास्ता है? What other choice do we have? What other choice do we have? मैं भी उसके साथ ऐसा ही करूँगा। I'll do the same to him. I'll do the same to him. आप चाहें तो जा सकते हैं। You can go if you want. You can go if you want. मैं जितना जल्दी हो सके वापस आऊँगा। I'll be back as soon as I can. I'll be back as soon as I can. दोबारा कभी ऐसा मत कहना। Don't say anything like that ever again. Don't say anything like that ever again. मैं जानता हूँ उसका क्या मतलब है। I know what that means. I know what that means. मैं इतना लंबा इंतजार नहीं कर सकता। I can't wait that long. I can't wait that long. तुम अपने आप से झूठ बोल रहे हो। You're lying to yourself. You're lying to yourself. कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा है। Something doesn't seem right. Something doesn't seem right. आप खुद ऐसा क्यों नहीं करते? Why don't you do it yourself? Why don't you do it yourself? चीज की एक कीमत होती है। Everything has a price. Everything has a price. मैं तुम्हें कई बार बताना चाहता था। I wanted to tell you so many times. I wanted to tell you so many times. तुम मेरे कमरे में कैसे आए? How did you get into my room? How did you get into my room? आपको सावधान रहना होगा। You have to be careful. You have to be careful. क्या आप उसे अच्छी तरह जानते हैं? Do you know him well? Do you know him well? मैं कभी भी तुम्हें दुख नहीं पहुंचाना चाहता था। I have wanted to hurt you. I have wanted to hurt you. मैं कभी भी आपसे झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहता था। I never wanted to lie to you. I never wanted to lie to you. उनमें से कोई भी यहाँ नहीं है। None of them are here. None of them are here. वह तुम्हारा कौन है? Who is he to you? Who is he to you? क्या तुम मेरे लिए ऐसा करोगे? Will you do that for me? Will you do that for me? अभी भी हमारे पास समय है। We still have time. We still have time. अपने परिवार के साथ कुछ समय बिताएं। Spend some time with your family. Spend some time with your family. किसी को मत बताना। Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. ये मैं किसी को नहीं बताऊंगा। I will tell this to no one. I will tell this to no one. लोगों ने हमें देखा है। People have seen us. People have seen us. मैं जानता था कि तुम ये कर सकोगे। I knew you could do it. I knew you could do it. मैं ये कैसे कहूँ? How do I say this? How do I say this? इस बार मेरा पीछा मत करना। Don't follow me this time. Don't follow me this time. अगला है कैसे आना हुआ? What brings you here? What brings you here? मेरी आँख में कुछ गिर गया है। I've got something in my eye. I've got something in my eye. मैंने अभी भी कुछ नहीं कहा है। I still have not said anything. I still have not said anything. रवि को फोन दीजिए. Put Ravi on the phone. Put Ravi on the phone. क्या हुआ ये कोई नहीं जानता. No one knows what happened. No one knows what happened. देखते ही हम आ गए. We came over as soon as we saw. We came over as soon as we saw. हम बस तुम्हारा भला चाहते हैं. We are just looking out for you. We are just looking out for you. हम कोई रास्ता निकाल लेंगे. We'll figure something out. We'll figure something out. ये मेरी जिंदगी का सबसे अच्छा दिन है. This is the best day of my life. This is the best day of my life. नेक्स्ट है, इसका क्या मतलब है. What does it mean? What does it mean? हर कोई तुम्हारे पीछे क्यों पड़ा है. Why is everyone after you? Why is everyone after you? चलिए देखते हैं क्या होता है. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. भगवान की कसम. Swear to God. Swear to God. उसने मुझे आपको फ़ोन करने के लिए कहा. He asked me to call you. He asked me to call you. हर कोई जल्दी में है. Everybody's in a hurry. Everybody's in a hurry. नल चालू करो. Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap. नल बंद करो. Turn off the tap. Turn off the tap. टीवी चालू करो. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. मैं शादी कर रहा हूँ. I am getting married. I am getting married. मैं जून में शादी कर रहा हूँ. I am getting married in June. वह मेरे बगल में बैठा है. He is sitting beside me. He is sitting beside me. पकड़े मत जाना. Don't get caught. Don't get caught. तुमने क्या किया. What did you do? What did you do? मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. क्या तुम जानते हो मैं कौन हूँ. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? मैं नहीं जानता कि तुम कौन हो. I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are. मुझे तुम्हारे साथ मजा आता है. I enjoy being with you. I enjoy being with you. वह वैसा नहीं है. He is not like that. He is not like that. तुम उसके बारे में बहुत गलत हो. You are so wrong about him. You are so wrong about him. तुम सही हो. मैं उसके बारे में गलत हूँ. You are right. I am wrong about him. You are right. I am wrong about him. तुम उसके बारे में बहुत सही थे. You were so right about him. You were so right about him. उनसे पूछो. Ask them. Ask them. हाँ मैं सही था. Yes, I was right. Yes, I was right. तुमने सही किया. You did the right thing. You did the right thing. मेरा एक सवाल है. I have a question. I have a question. मुझे मत पूछो. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. नेक्स्ट है. मुझे कुछ मत पूछो. Don't ask me anything. Don't ask me anything. मुझे दोबारा मत पूछो. Don't ask me again. Don't ask me again. उसके बारे में मुझसे मत पूछो. Don't ask me about him. Don't ask me about him. उससे पूछो. Ask him. Ask him. ये आसान नहीं था. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. ये मेरे लिए आसान नहीं था. It wasn't easy for me. It wasn't easy for me. इसके बारे में कोई नहीं सोचता. No one thinks about it. No one thinks about it. मेरे पास खाने के लिए बहुत कुछ है. I have a lot to say. I have a lot to say. मुझे पता है कि मैं कौन हूँ, मैं क्या हूँ. I know who I am, what I am. I know who I am, what I am. मुझे फिर से बताओ. Tell me once again. Tell me once again. मुझे लगता है कि ये एक बहुत अच्छा विचार है. I think that's a really good idea. I think that's a really good idea. फिर से सुनो. Listen again. Listen again. ये मेरे लिए करो. Do this for me. Do this for me. मुझे अंदर आने दो. Let me in. Let me in. उसे अंदर मत आने दो. Don't let him in. Don't let him in. वे मुझे अंदर नहीं आने दे रहे हैं. They are not letting me in. They are not letting me in. उसे जाने दो. Let him go. Let him go. ये मेरे जीवन का सबसे बुरा दिन था. It was the worst day of my life. It was the worst day of my life. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है. I'm feeling very sleepy. I'm feeling very sleepy. मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to bed. I am going to bed. मैं थक गया हूँ और मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. I am tired and I am going to bed. I am tired and I am going to bed. मैं नींद की झपकी लेने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to nap. I am going to nap. कल रात मुझे जल्दी नींद लग गई. I fell asleep early last night. I fell asleep early last night. क्या आपको अच्छी नींद आई? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? हाँ, मैं ठीक से सोया. Yes, I slept well. Yes, I slept well. नहीं, मैं ठीक से नहीं सोया. No, I didn't sleep well. No, I didn't sleep well. मैं सारी रात सो नहीं सका. I couldn't sleep all night. I couldn't sleep all night. ये मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है? Why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me? ये मेरे साथ क्या चल रहा है? What is going on with me? What is going on with me? अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do now? What should I do now? मुझे ये बहुत पहले ही करना चाहिए था. I should have done this long ago. I should have done this long ago. मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए था. I should not have done this. I should not have done this. अरे नहीं, ये मैंने क्या कर दिया है? Oh no, what have I done? Oh no, what have I done? सो दैट्स फॉर द टुडे। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोज मिलती रहेगी। सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग।